Hey guys, I'm Milan with Pro Beats, and in today's video I want to show you how you can create a tape stop and start in Size Studio One using just one plugin. So stay tuned for that. I already created the transition. I want to play it now so you can hear how it sounds.
Big bucket seats, bet you fall in. Say they on their job, but they call in. And you ain't never on your grind, how you ballin'? Try to check me, fade away, I'm Jordan. Man, I put this on my life.
Let's play that one more time without the vocals. To create this transition, I've used just one plugin, the tape stop from Kilohearts. Let's remove everything and start from scratch. This is how the section sounded without the break and the tape transition.
Fade away, I'm Jordan. Man, I put this on my life.
Not bad, but I want to bring the attention from the beat to the vocals, and that's why you use this sort of beat breaks and beat stops, just to move the spotlight from the beat to the vocals, so you can emphasize certain words, certain phrases. That's the reason behind using tape stops, beat breaks and things like that. Now let's start and build that transition. What I like to do is duplicate the beat track, and I do that because, as you can see, it keeps the level, panning or other effects if I have any. And that's important because I want the transition to sound similar to the beat. I don't want the transition to be that different in terms of tone and processing. First thing, let's make a break. Now, because I want to have a tape start, I'm gonna use the audio from the next bar. So this is the part I'm gonna use. You just drag it down. If you hold the Alt, you can just copy that section just like that. And for the tape stop, I want this part right here, just move to the new track. So something like this.
Try to check me, fade away, I'm Jordan. Man, I put this on my life.
So right now, this section, the bar from 44 to 45, sounds really strange because I just copied the next bar. The track sounds offbeat and out of place. Let's add tape stop. Now that I have the beat stop on the new track, I want to create an automation lane for this button right here. So for the stop and for the play. You can do that by engaging the automation, put it in right, hit play, and then you're gonna hit the button you want to automate. This will create a new automation lane for that specific parameter that you touched.
I'm Jordan. Man.
Now put the automation in read, and now you need to create the actual automation. Let's create the beat stop first. So I want the beat to stop in this section and to start with this section, so we can have like the stop point and the start point, something like this.
Try to check me, fade away, I'm Jordan. Man, I put it.
As you heard, the stops are not in sync with the beat. You can do that really easy by just searching online for the actual timing in milliseconds to make the stop or the start in sync with your beat. For my BPM, I already know that is 1.6, and let's make the stop time half of that, 800. Let's see how it sounds.
All in. Try to check me, fade away, I'm Jordan. Man, I put this on my life, I'm going.
Perfect, in sync. Let me play that again.
And you ain't never on your grind, how you ballin'? Try to check me, fade away, I'm Jordan. Man, I put this on my life, I'm going off.
You can play with the speed curve, but if you want this to be on grid, you just leave it on default. Next step is to fine-tune the transition. And what I mean by that is to create crossfades. You don't want any clicks or any pops in the transition. And because I have a kick on the 44 bar, I want to fade that in just to smooth out the transition. One thing that I like to do is to reduce the gain of the stop so that tape stop is just underneath the vocals. It's not that in your face.
Try to check me, fade away, I'm Jordan. Man, I put this on my life, I'm going all in. Still gotta go more in. Big bucket seats, bet you fall in. Try to check me, fade away, I'm Jordan. Man, I put this on my life, I'm going off.
And this is how you can create a really nice tape stop, tape start, transition inside Studio One using just one plugin from Kilohearts called Tape Stop. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe, hit that notification button, drop a like, follow me on Instagram, follow me on Facebook. If you have any questions about this technique or if you have any suggestions, leave a comment. See you guys next week. Cheers.